We are proud to be able to make this project happen. It was a great project with great coordination and collaborative effort between these organizations to bring something to the community for the safety of the residents, safety of the children. We know that working together we can make projects like this happen. Working apart, you just can't get a whole lot done. But we are proud to be able to work together to make things like this happen for the community so we can have safer communities for the public.
I just want to say congratulations to our commissioners. Our board made it happen, so I want to say congratulations again to the commissioner. I want to say congratulations to the city council, the mayor for their work, my board for venturing out. The collaboration has been really powerful. And in the end, of course, for schools, safety is always at the forefront of our minds. And this is an opportunity for students to arrive at school safely, to be able to walk to school, to make sure that they have a safe route as we look to keep them safe at school. So we want to thank all of the collaborators for what they've done today. God bless you all. Thanks again.
Our collaboration with the county and the school board is absolutely necessary, but it's not just necessary, it is a pleasure. It's one thing to have to work with somebody, it's another thing to enjoy working with somebody, and we've had a great relationship. We have a number of things that we're dealing with. This is just proof of what can be done when you work together with the county, city, and school board, and so we're ecstatic about it. Our residents are have been in desperate need of a sidewalk out here. I can't tell you how many times I have been asked about a sidewalk to and from the school. And so this is the beginning of many. We hope to do this around the city. It's a great day. We're grateful for the partnership. We'll be here to hold it up and cooperate with the county on anything that needs to be done with this and those that we build in the future.